Samsung Galaxy phones has got a ton of hidden features in them. It can be something simple and useful like pointing the phone's camera at a document and scanning it instantly, or something crazy like being able to open your favorite app or take a screenshot or turn on and off the flashlight or even mute and unmute the phone by just long pressing the power button. To activate this crazy feature, open Good Lock and head over to the register module and tap on side key, press and hold and switch it on. Now you can configure your phone's power button to do anything from this list, like long press the power button to take a screenshot or turn on and off the flashlight or to open the notification panel or any other app on your phone, which makes this hidden feature a crazy way to customize the phone's power button. Speaking of customization, did you know that you can add custom widgets to your always on display and on the lock screen? Well, if you want to do the same thing, then again open Good Lock and head over to the lock star module and select lock screen and tap on a blank area and tap on add widget. Then choose a widget from the list and hit add to set it to the lock screen. And while we are on this screen, if you tap on these quick access shortcuts and tap on this little icon, then you can create a stack of commonly used app shortcuts to open them quickly from the lock screen itself. And it is definitely a super useful feature to have. Now if you come back to this page and open always on display and tap on any blank spaces here, then you can add widgets to your always on display as well, just like how we did with the lock screen. Then you can change the clock on the always on display and set a clock face different from the lock screen, which used to be a standard feature on Samsung phones, but it was no longer available since the One UI 6.1 update. And again, on the main page of the Lockstar module, if you tap on these three dots, then you can find some hidden wallpapers. I have to say it is a bit strange to find wallpapers hidden so deep inside the settings. If you are still using power saver mode to make your battery last longer, then you need to stop doing that and start using this crazy hidden feature in device care called performance mode. Inside this menu, change the profile to light mode, and this mode prioritizes on improving battery life and cooling efficiency. And the light mode does not deactivate the phone's always on display or limit the phone's CPU speed and screen brightness, which usually happens in power saver mode. But the best part about light mode is that it does not affect the phone's performance when you are playing games on it, which makes it a nifty feature to have. Unless you have been living under a rock, you might already know about the circle to search feature on Galaxy phones, but on the same screen, if you tap on this icon, then you can translate any text on the screen, including the words inside pictures, which is a great feature. And on the same screen, if you tap on this button with a musical note on it, then it will identify the song's name that is playing near the phone. Or if you have a tune stuck in your head and you can't remember the name of the song, then you can just sing or hum the lyrics to find the song. But the best part about this feature is that it can identify the name of the song played on your phone itself. So with this feature, next time when you hear a good song in a Reels video, then you don't need to find a second phone or ask for the name of the song in the comment section. But if you have an older Samsung phone without the circle to search feature, then simply swipe down from the top and look for this button with a musical note on it. And if you tap on it, then you can use it to find songs quickly and easily. Nowadays, people mostly use navigation gestures on their phones, and let me show you how to add more function to these gestures. For example, you can swipe to open the notification panel, or swipe again to take a screenshot, or to even lock your phone, or swipe a bit more to open a toolbox that contains commonly used functions like brightness slider, volume controls, or toggle buttons for Wi-Fi, sound modes, auto rotate, along with a bunch of other controls, or swipe in a different direction to open the app drawer. To activate this crazy feature, head over to Good Lock and open one-handed Operation Plus. With this module, you get two handles on each sides of your screen, and each one has three short swipe gestures which you can configure to do any action from this list. And if you activate long swipe, then you can unlock 3 more swipe gestures, which again is completely customizable. So now let's take a look at some hidden AI features, and you might already know about the sketch to image feature, where you make a rough sketch of something on a picture and that object gets added to the picture. But there is a slightly different version of it, where if you go into the photo editor and find this pencil with a star on top of it, now if you make a rough sketch, then AI will convert it into a better sketch or a doodle, and I would like to call it sketch to cartoon. Apart from this, you can straighten a tilted image easily by opening the AI editor and then straighten the image by moving the slider and then hit generate to complete the process. Or you can select an object by drawing a circle around it and then tap and hold on it to move it to a new spot. And here is the before and after, and I have to say the AI has done a fairly decent job of moving the subject. You can even remove an object from a picture by first selecting the object by drawing a circle around it and then tap and hold on it for the eraser icon to appear, and once it appears, tap on it to remove it from the picture. Or you can change a boring background in a picture by tapping and holding on the background to select it and then hit the eraser icon and then tap on generate to change the background to a completely new one. If you have a black and white photo, then you can convert it into a color photo by just swiping up and then tap on the colorize option. It will take some time to process the image, and once the processing is done, your black and white photo will be converted into a color photo. Since we are on the subject of editing pictures, you can quickly crop photos by zooming into the portion of the photo that you want and then tap on this crop icon to crop the picture in just one tap, which indeed is a super useful feature to have. So if you're reading through a long article and if you're like me and is lazy to read through the entire thing, then simply tap on this AI icon and hit summarize to create a summary which you can then go through very easily. And within the same menu, you also have the option to translate the entire web page into a different language. So for the final hidden feature, head over to settings and then go to accessibility and then open hearing enhancements and activate this shortcut. Now if you connect your earbuds and tap on this little icon, then you can hear the sounds in your surrounding more amplified through your earbuds. I couldn't come up with any proper use for this feature, so let me know what you would use this feature for in the comment section. And there you go, 20 crazy and useful hidden features on your Samsung Galaxy phone. To find out more such crazy hidden features on your Samsung Galaxy phones, then check out these videos here. And if you enjoyed this video, then drop a like, and a sub to the channel would be a huge encouragement for me to create more videos like this.